Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tatiana, your favorite new construction realtor, and I'm back once again with another new construction home tour. Before I get into it, if you are new here and you love my home tours, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for future home tours. If you are in the market searching for a new construction home, you can visit my website at dmvsnewhomes.com to search for new construction homes based on your own criteria. For today's home tour, we are actually going to be touring my client's new construction home. It is still under construction, as you guys can see, and we are in the process of their new home orientation meeting that will be taking place in the next few weeks. So very exciting. As you guys can see, there is blue tape on the walls. The construction team, they've already got a head start on marking any defects, chips, dents, scrapes that they found in the home, which means that we should all be set and ready to go during the new home orientation meeting that will then go into detail about the home's functionalities, answer any questions about appliances. So I'm just very excited for my clients. This home is absolutely gorgeous. And guys, yes, enjoy the tour. I love their home. If you need help with the purchase of your new construction home, then feel free to reach out to me today. I would love to assist. Enjoy.